Review fans, okay, so this is the Lotus one we got here. So I'm just going to first take off the sticky protective thing there, like so. So you can see I've taken it off. Now I've got lots of different Lotuses you can choose for. That one's for your leg, that one's for your could be more for your arm, and this one's great for hands, ankles. So I'm just going to take this one. So you've got a lot you can cut off and practice with. So just cut that there, cut that there. Soften a bit, croak it out. I've got a bit of cold. So we got the tattoo here. So all we do, I'm going to stick it on the arm because I find it generally sticks a little bit better here for just doing for a video. And just stick it there like so. Unfortunately, I got this a little bit too close to do that. And you see how that's really wet. Just keep on there. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Keep on doing that. Eventually, bit of luck. It's quite thinly. It's quite a fine design, so you got to put like a lot of water on these and keep on doing it. Eventually, you'll start slipping. You can see it there. Start to slip off a bit. You just gently. You just want gently rub the edges because you don't want to get the design. And there you are. There you go. So that actually looks a very realistic tattoo. You can see it's actually stuck on beautifully, actually. So you've got all these different ones to choose from. There's always different designs. You can have that one down your neck. You can have that one wherever you like. And that one. Just click on the link below this video. It'll take you to Amazon. You can buy it there. I hope it's been a great video and really useful. Take care. Bye for now.